Sturgeon faced hellish backlash over social media with upcoming COVID-19 restrictions on Christmas. Nicola Sturgeon has been told to resign after she urged people to cancel work Christmas parties as Scotland is facing a tsunami of Omicron cases. The Omicron strain of COVID is likely to replace Delta as the dominant form of the virus within days, the Scottish First Minister warned. Ms. Sturgeon said the 110 cases recorded in the country are only the tip of the iceberg. She predicted a new wave of the pandemic was about to begin and announced changes to self-isolation guidelines. First Minister Nicola Sturgeon has said Scotland is facing a tsunami of COVID cases due to the transmissibility of the Omicron variant. From today, household contacts of someone with the virus are being asked to isolate for 10 days, regardless of vaccination status. It comes as data shows the effectiveness of the vaccines is significantly diminished by the new variant, although booster shots offer good protection against symptomatic disease. Yesterday, Sturgeon told a news conference, "We may be facing, indeed we may be starting to experience, a potential tsunami of infections. Our estimate at this stage is that the doubling time for Omicron cases is between 2 and 3 days and, actually, it may be closer to 2 days than 3 days." Her comments followed advice from Public Health Scotland that all Christmas parties be cancelled after several outbreaks of the new variant were linked to them. However, following her advice, the hashtag #ResignSturgeon began trending on Twitter, with people urging the First Minister to step down. One person, Tractor Girly, posted the hashtag 10 times on Twitter followed by, "Leave our Christmas alone." She then added, "Let's get #ResignSturgeon trending today. Send a message to Scott Government that we won't stand for our Christmas plans being curtailed again this year." Falklands veteran, Alistair McRae, also tweeted the hashtag 3 times as the First Minister faced pressure to resign. Thomas Ingram tweeted, #ResignSturgeon. That's it. That's the tweet. Another Twitter user, known as Bibi, commented, "Today I will be incorporating #ResignSturgeon into every tweet. Please feel free to do likewise and keep the pressure on her. #ResignSturgeon." Someone else, Facundo Sarvala, added, "It's time to go Nicola." They continued, "Nobody spoils Christmas quite like TV's Nicola Sturgeon." Becky Argyle said, "We need a tsunami of people to say #ResignSturgeon. Your time is up." Flags and Stuff tweeted, "The only tsunami I can see is in the criminality at the heart of the rancid SNP regime." Twitter account UK1 added, "If Nicola Sturgeon was as good at running Scotland as she is at TV cameos and campaigning for independence, then Scotland would be the wealthiest country in the world. But it's not. Scotland's economy is in decline and it has the highest deficit in the rich world." With Gentlemen of the North writing, #ResignSturgeon is trending. Considering the hellish budget yesterday and her moves to cancel Christmas today, I think that's fair. National Clinical Director Jason Leach also made an appeal for more vaccinators to come forward to step up the rollout of the booster program. Sturgeon said on Tuesday that Omicron was expected to cause a continued and potentially rapid rise in cases in the days ahead. She urged people to work from home for the next 6 weeks, as well as continue to observe other protections such as face masks, taking up the vaccine and regular hand washing. Public Health Scotland made its announcement about Christmas parties after the number of confirmed cases of COVID rose from 389 at the beginning of the week to 3,196 yesterday. Its Director of Public Health Science, Dr. Nick Finn, said that by postponing some plans we can all do our bit to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Leach, who is becoming a vaccinator himself, urged others to come forward saying that even a shift a week will help. So if you're a dentist, a nurse, an optometrist or a doctor and you can help us, then please contact your local health board. Every vaccine dose given is another step out of the pandemic, he added. If you don't have a clinical background, it's not a problem, you can still assist the program in another capacity through the British Red Cross. On Friday, Scotland recorded a further 5,018 cases of the virus, a sharp rise on the recent daily average of around 2,800 cases. However, The number of people in hospital with the virus fell slightly to 573, with around 40 patients in intensive care. With around 40